So tomorrow is July 4th. So I wanted to relay this message to our American neighbors. I want to take a moment to celebrate the spirit of unity, pride, and freedom that defines our neighboring countries. And I know right now we're going through some stuff, but really you are our allies, our neighbors, and we honor you as well. We hope that you honor us as our neighbors. So while we may be separated by a border, our shared values of independence and community bring us closer together. So we are wishing all of our American friends a joyful and meaningful Independence Day. Celebrate your freedom, your history, and the strength of your nation. Happy 4th of July, our American neighbors.